What if the typewriter could rewrite itself? In the bustling 1960s, amidst a world ripe with technological innovation, the groundbreaking concept of the interactive text optical reader, or ITOR, sought to do just that. This avant-garde device tantalized users with the futuristic promise of editing typed text in real time, akin to the word processors of today. However, despite its groundbreaking potential, the ITOR was never fully realized, primarily due to the prohibitive costs of the required technology and the rapid evolution towards electronic word processing. The story serves as a riveting reminder of the technology that could have revolutionized communication, lying forgotten in the archives of innovation history.